mga buha kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Conanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, ikaw ba yung taong naghahanap ng car rentals?
Yes? Gusto mo bang may magamit ng sasakyan sa mga travels mo?
Yes, so this vlog is gonna be for you. Right now, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Param Car Rentals. And we're gonna be giving you a feel of what is it like to. Samahan nyo po kami. It's gonna be an amazing tour. And this is gonna be beneficial for you guys. So tara!
Let's go!
Alright, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng reception ng Param Car Rentals. And yeah, we're gonna inquire yung mga cars nila.
And also yung mga prices nila para at least may idea tayo kung kano yung mga rentals dito.
Exactly. Alright, so tara! Good afternoon.
Anong sa kanila, sir? Kaming sedan, SUV, and van, sir.
Sedan po yung hinahanap po namin ngayon.
Yung city drive namin, sir, is 1.3.
Okay.
24 hours na yun, sir. Yung 12 hours naman po is 950. Yung SUV naman po natin sa Pampanga is 2,100 po, 24 hours. And then 1,500 po for 12 hours. Like, sir, 1.5. 24 hours. Yung kunyari, sir, Manila,
Yes.
1.7, 24 hours.
What a great deal, no? So actually, napakamura guys, napakamura nga nila.
Pwede kang mag-rent ng sasakyan for a week or for a month. So,
For-
pwede na silang pang long term.
Then, yung requirements lang namin dito, sir, at least 2 valid ID. Then, isang license lang, sir. Sa Xerox lang namin siya.
So, tara, hiram na tayo ng sasakyan para at least may magamit tayo.
So we're going upstairs, of course, to discuss the contract, the terms and conditions, as well as other reminders. Hello. Wow. Okay, so this is their office, guys. As soon as na-verify yung application natin, this is gonna be the place where they will discuss the terms and conditions.
Contract namin, sir, yung mga model po namin is year 2019 to 2020. So, walang katirik yan. Just in case magkaroon man po kayo ng problem, tawagan niyo muna kami bago po kayo magpatawag ng towing. Okay. Then, sir, since yung mga unit namin is mga latest model, lahat po ng unit namin is insured po yan. Insured yung driver, insured din po yung sasakyan. So, just in case magkaroon din ng problem, yung mga damages, sir, may mga options po kami. And then, sir, sa gas naman, no more no less tayo. Pag paano mo siya ginawa sa amin, ganun mo rin siya ibabalik sa amin.
For our viewers' sake po, no? So you have the rush booking, and then the other one is advance booking naman po.
Yes, sir. Kung rush booking nga, matatawag mo siyang rush booking. Once na today mo rin ka nagpa-rent, today mo rin siya kukunin. So lang mag-deposit. Pero, yung 2,000 pong yun is refundable pag binalik mo yung unit sa amin.
Meron naman din pala silang mga terms na you don't necessarily need to go personally. You can actually do a transaction via online or banking o ganyan. And then on the day na kailangan mo yung sasakyan or you rented it, saka ka na lang pumunta dito.
Yes po.
Good. So yun guys, this is their parking lot. Titignan natin how, they maintain the cleanliness, the setup, as well as the safety ng mga sasakay sa mga sasakyan. So tara, samahan niyo rin po kayo. I'm actually impressed, no? Let's talk about the checklist that they do before they release the car.
So makikita mo talaga na talagang sine-check nila yung mga oils, yung mga fluids, yung cleanliness ng sasakyan,
Tire pressure.
tire pressures. On the go ka na talaga para gamitin na lang yung sasakyan.
Exactly. Now, isa pa sa mga freebies na they give away here. So, meron silang giveaway na health pouch na kit, no? So, you have face mask, you also have a tissue, you also have alcohol, no?
Alcohol. At the same time din, meron din silang mga free water. Ayan.
Ayun, so let's talk about some information regarding Param Car Rental. So, pinaka main branch nila is located po sa Dapdap, Mabalacat City. For those who are planning to visit Pampanga, so ito yung pupuntahan mo talaga. They're gonna rent the car for a very affordable price. Grabe, napakamura lang na kanilang mga prices.
Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng murang car rental, Param Car Rental here in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. And kung gusto nyo rin po na convenient yung mga units po namin, dito na po kayo. Easy mag-transaction, low rates po kami. At the same time, re-disinfect po namin yung mga unit namin. As low as 888 pesos, makakapag-rent ka na ng mga unit. So, dito na, Param Car Rental.
So there you have it, guys. I hope this video was useful to our Kapampangan friends as well as yung mga friend natin outside Pampanga. So if you're looking for a car rental that is really affordable,
Yes.
and at the same time, kumbaga hassle-free, make sure to check out Param Car Rentals.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.